Hi viewers, welcome to this video and today I will be teaching you how to send videos on Discord without Nitro. So just let's start. First open up your browser and search there streamable.com. After searching just log in here with your Gmail account. After logging in just click on upload video and upload the video here which you want to send on your Discord. So just select any video you want and just open it up here. So after opening up it will process and after processing this type of link will occur. Just copy this link and open up your Discord application and open up the channel where you want to send your video. So just like I want to send this video in this channel named Minecraft IP, so I will just paste the link here and I will enter it. So after entering, as you guys can see, I have sent it a video without having any Nitro on my account. And that's how you guys can easily be able to send videos without Nitro. And that's it. Discover the secrets to mastering Discord server creation and bot development with our comprehensive step-by-step course. Elevate your skills and become a Discord expert today. Check out the link in the description to get started. But if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel and thanks for watching.